Think about it, that morning coffee, the afternoon latte, that random cab ride, all those little transactions add up. But what if you could harness that everyday spending and turn it into an investment powerhouse? That's the core idea behind Raiz, a micro-investing app that's changing the game for everyday Australians and people in Southeast Asia too. But with any financial platform, the question of user base naturally comes up. So, how many people are actually using Raiz to grow their wealth? Let's dive deep and explore the world of Raiz users, understanding their numbers and what it means for you, the potential investor. Early days and steady growth. Raiz launched back in 2016, offering a unique way to invest spare change. Their innovative concept resonated with a tech-savvy generation looking for an easier entry point into the investment world. While exact user numbers from the very beginning are harder to pinpoint, we can look at some key milestones to track Raiz's growth trajectory. By December 2021, Raiz boasted over 2.5 million downloads of their app, with a staggering 2.4 million signups. That's a massive pool of people interested in taking control of their finances. Active users, the engine that drives Raiz. Downloads and signups are great, but what truly matters are the active users, those who are consistently using the platform to invest. Here, Raiz paints a very positive picture. By December 2021, they reported over 594,000 active monthly users. Think about it, that's nearly 500,000 people actively putting their money to work each month. This strong user base translates to a vibrant financial ecosystem within the Raiz platform. Going beyond borders, Raiz in Southeast Asia. Raiz isn't just about Aussie finances. They've set their sights on Southeast Asia as well, offering their services in countries like Malaysia and Indonesia. This international expansion unlocks a whole new user base, further propelling Raiz's growth. While figures for Southeast Asia are harder to come by publicly, Raiz did announce that by October 2021, they had over 112,000 users signed up in Indonesia alone. That's a significant number, showcasing the potential of the Southeast Asian market for Raiz. Looking at the latest numbers, as of June 2024. Since Raiz is a publicly traded company, they regularly release reports with key metrics. The most recent data we can find publicly available is from August 2022. Here's where things get exciting. By August 2022, Raiz had surpassed 3 million signups, with over 665,000 active monthly users. That's a significant jump from December 2021, highlighting Raiz's continued user base growth. What does this mean for you? A large and active user base is a positive sign for any financial platform. It signifies trust, a healthy ecosystem, and potentially a more robust investment environment. For you, the potential Raiz user, this translates to a potentially reliable platform with a growing community. It suggests that Raiz is here to stay, and their user base is a testament to their innovative approach to micro-investing. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the world of Raiz users. There's always more to explore, like demographics, investment styles, and future growth projections. But hopefully, this video has given you a good idea of the scale and potential of the Raiz community. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.